Hi there, welcome to 1600 Rusty Rivet Road in the brand new Iron Wheel subdivision, flanked by views of the Colorado National Monuments. With a newly constructed, detached, heated and cooled workspace, and an 18 by 40 side yard perfect for RV parking. It even has a community playground and picnic area just steps from the home. The Fruita Trail is going to be paved all the way to Fruita Monument High School here shortly. Does this sound like it's for you? I'm Diane McLean with Legacy Properties Group at Keller Williams Colorado West Realty. Give us a call today.